Explain the installation tutorial of ground radar. After receiving it, you can find the power adapter and the network cable under the radar. Take out the power adapter, untie the network cable. Find the network cable interface and connect the control head. Organize the coils and put them in the empty slot under the radar. The incoming line of the network is connected through this hole. From here to this lower bottom, the power cord is also the same through the hole and put it into the empty slot. Unscrew the coil of the power adapter. Then go in through the hole and connect with the power cord. After doing this, all the lines are hidden in the empty slot at the bottom. The only thing that comes out of the empty slot is a network cable and a power cable. Next is the fixing of the radar and the ground. Select the 3 holes of the radar pillar. Fix with expansion plug or expansion screw. This is the installation tutorial of radar and ground fixed.
Installation explanation. Radar installation on the ground. We can put it on location that is not easy to touch and protective cover underneath. Put on the ground. Then the 3 positions can be fixed with screws. Be sure to pay attention to the protective cover of this radar, where it is the gap, and the projection of the ground is in one direction. This way it's not easy to block the radar. This is a panoramic view, then the opening of the radar cannot be blocked. It relies on this base to sense the recognition. It is installed at the edge of the picture. Can be installed in any edge can be installed wherever it is convenient, not necessarily limited to the corners.